How to add friends on Monopoly Go with user ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Monopoly Go with your user ID, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you play the Monopoly Go game, you can see you can add friends by simply inviting people. But let's say you want to just go ahead and then add friends so that you can have just their user ID. This is your user ID over here. You can share them to your friends and then you want to add friends in that way instead of having them to invite to a certain social application. Well, unfortunately, as of this video is being made, Monopoly does not offer such features where you can add friend with the user ID. The only way you can do so is if you have them on socials, and then you will be able to connect with the social applications such as Facebook and then add them friends in that particular way. This way you should be able to add friends in Monopoly Go with user ID. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.